May 26, 2021. This one here I got a call from a guy. I guess he's got a 3-ton unit on the first floor. The air handle is running, the furnace is running downstairs, and the fan's spinning outside in the condenser, but the compressor's not kicking in from what he said. So he wants me to go over there and see if I can help. If I need his help, to give him a call, he tells me. It's all right, guy. How do I get to the place? And let's just tell me what's going on. If he knew what he was doing, he wouldn't be calling me, would he? No. All right. But anyway, we're gonna go by there and find out what's going on. It's kind of windy today. Maybe it's got a lot of times the wires burn off the compressor, or it's got a bad run cap or something, and the compressor won't start. We'll check all that when we get there. He said it's got 220 going to it. We'll see, Mama. Oh, it's an interesting call, Molly. Oh, yeah. The crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Oh, man. She's a crusty one, Mr. Grinch. Welcome to the shit show, Mama. Oh, man. Welcome to the shit show. Never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Oh, never a dull moment, Miss Molly. Never a dull moment. Yeah, when it gets a little warm out, I mean, the flipping AC calls come in like crazy. And get overwhelmed with them. Everybody's calling, oh, my AC not working, can you help me? So, we just gotta kind of try to bang them out, get them done. Not easy being cheesy, Mama. Oh, man, he's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. He's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. He's got a couple of screws loose, Mama. It's a scroll. I don't see any high-low pressure switches anywhere. Let's see if it starts. Compressor's starting. It's probably low on Freon. He says the compressor's not starting. It started. We'll have to check the charge, see if there's even any Freon in this thing. I bet you it's out. I bet you it's flat. Compressor started. I don't know where his cover is. He's got the cover off this flipping thing. Let's check the charge first and see what's going on. It's probably 410, I'm thinking. But I'm not sure without the cover. It's got another unit here. .410A TXV. So I don't know where his cover is, but it's not there. Let's see if there's any gas in it. There it is, in the barrel. Yeah, 410A TXV inside. So let's just see if there's any Freon in the thing at all. Put our gauge on it, see if there's any Freon in there at all. It might be completely out, Mama. Oh man, you never know. You never know. You never know. Let's just put our gauge on it before we do anything. See what the hell's happening. There it is. He told me the compressor wouldn't run. doesn't know what he's talking about. It's probably running, but there's no gas in the system. That's what I'm thinking. We'll see if there's any Freon in it. Could just be low. There's our problem right there. Got a major leak. It's only a 64. I'm gonna call this fucking clown. Yeah, your system, your compressor's running fine. It's not that. You're out of refrigerant. Yeah, the unit's flat. I'm here now, and I've got 63 standing pounds. There should be like 175 when you put your gauges on it without it running, you know, because the refrigerant and a lot. Because I can tell you they got no refrigerant now. It's very, very, very low. If I started it up, it's going to go into a vacuum.
Do you see a leak or something?
I don't know where the leak is. It could be anywhere.
Fuck, man. So once you do the vacuum, you'll know if it's leaking.
Whoa, no, you got to find the leak first, fix the leak, and then pull the vacuum. I mean, it could be in this condenser outside. It could be in the unit inside. Could be anywhere. But that's your issue. Your unit's flat. It's got no refrigerant in it. It ain't gonna run like that.
All right. So, what do you want to? What do you do? Do you put dye in it, or what do you do? You chase it with a light, or?
We could probably try looking at the unit inside. It might be inside. Sometimes the lines rub and will wear out. I mean, have you been adding refrigerant to this thing every year?
Never added it. That unit is probably 4 years old, maybe 4 or 5 years old. And when it works, it freezes that whole house.
Yeah.
Well, the first floor, anyways.
Well, you got a major leak here somewhere, Brian.
Fuck off.
That's what I said.
Yeah, that's why the compressor ain't kicking on.
Oh, it's kicking on, because I'm out here now. Watch, listen. I'm going to push the relay and you'll hear it. Hear it start?
Now I heard it. I just heard it now.
Yeah, it's because I'm out here and I'm pushing the relay in by hand because the unit's not running inside. Yeah, it's running. The compressor's starting, but there's no Freon in there, guy. It's not going to work like that. So we're going to have to find the leak. And that's not always easy to do.
Have you looked at the condenser in the cellar yet? Oh, no.
I haven't. No, I haven't gone down there.
Fuck. Well, it's up to you. If you want to fix it, obviously you want to... Whatever you want to do, dude.
Yeah, I don't have time to play around with this thing today. I mean, I'd have to come back on it. I mean, because something like this could take some time.
I can't believe that motherfucker's leaking. I really didn't see anything leaking.
Well, what happens sometimes there's little tubes inside on the where the metering device is, and in the furnace on the coil, and sometimes they rub together, and you'd have a leak like that. When you do that, when you get home, take the cover off and spray the shit down with soapy water. See if you see anything leaking in there. There's little tubes in there, and sometimes they rub.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah, you're talking about the fan inside, yeah.
No, the coil. You take the cover off the coil, and then where the liquid line goes in, there'll be a TXV, and then there's all distributor tubes that come off of that to the coil, small tubes. And a lot of times they're rubbed together, and that's where the leak will be.
And if I do find a leak, can you fix it, or do I got to replace that coil?
Oh, it depends on where it is, and there's a lot of things that come into play here, but yeah, that's what your deal is. I mean, to fix this thing might take some time, you know? It's not going to be like this little service call here. We got to take it apart and fix it. Might have to put a new coil in there. We got to locate the issue first, but definitely got a leak.
All right, what do I owe you?
Well, I'll have to get you for a service call, but I'll come back when I get some more time and when I get some more time to play with it, but I can't do it today.
All right, so can I pay you over the phone?
No, I'll leave a slip for your mother, and she could just mail me a check.
All right.
But I don't do credit cards because they want 4%. I ain't paying no 4%.
Okay, so I'm gonna send you a check, but I also want you to